Hey guys, just wanted to check in. You should have picked up your packet. And in your packet, oh, the beginning of your packet shows for this week, so 413 through 417. This is the first one we're going to be working on. Here are the directions. The directions just say that you're going to complete all assignments provided and turn in to me either a photo to my email or a photo through Dojo by the due date, okay? Instruction videos will be sent out via Dojo, so that's what I'm doing right now. This is an instructional video. I'm going to go over this. We're going to go over our lesson, and then in another video, I'm going to read you your assessment for the week. So we're going to look over here, our lesson objective. So our lesson objective for the beginning of the week is going to be identify three-dimensional solids and describe their attributes using formal geometric language. Okay? And down here, I've given you a little game online to play. You can put that in your computer, your tablet, your phone. It'll populate a game, and you guys can play that game about shapes. Okay? This lesson objective is the same, and you're going to do the paper in here called Find and Color. So Find and Color. It's going to look like this. Once you've finished, you're going to have your parents take a picture and send that to me. And then the next learning objective is about fractions. And then you'll have a paper in here that is fractions that you will do. Looks like this guy right here. Probably a front and back. Looks like this. And then on the back, you'll be filling in your own. Okay. And then you'll turn that in by taking a picture. And then the last one is the Unit 5 test, which I will do another video for, and I will read you the Unit 5 test. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to first talk about three-dimensional solids. So we're going to look at solid figures. And we're going to talk about geometrical language, which means we're going to talk about using the words of the shapes. We can use different words like attributes. So attributes would be like, how many sides does this shape have? How many corners or vertices does this shape have? And then we get to 3D shapes. 3D shapes, what faces does it have? How many edges does it have? How many vertices does it have? Those are all attributes, things they have in common, okay? So I've given you a set of cards also. So you should have cards that match up with circle, triangle, square, rectangle. You guys can cut these out. You can use these to practice. You can shuffle them up. You can play a game of Go Fish with them with your mom, dad, sister, brother, just to practice those. You can play memory game, lay them all flat, pick them up, try to find the ones that match. So then we have oval, we have trapezoid, rhombus, hexagon. Remember, hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Okay? Trapezoid, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay? Rhombus also has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I always think of a rhombus as like a square kind of leaning. He's a leaning over square. Okay? I'm going to get into these 3D shapes. Cube. Okay, these are the faces. How many faces does a cube have? Okay, they don't show us some of the faces, so we have to remember how many sides does a square have? 4. So 1, 2, there's one hidden behind here, and another one on this side. Okay, so that's 4. And then we have one on top, and one on the bottom. Okay, so we have 6 faces on a cube. Okay. Now it's kind of hard to imagine because we don't have these shapes sitting in front of us. If we had them sitting in front of us, we could see them, we could touch them, we could touch each of the sides. If you guys have anything shaped like this at home, that'd be really good to pull it out and just kind of look at it and see how many faces it has, how many corners, vertices it has. Okay, so let's look down at this rectangular prism. He's a rectangle, but he's also a prism because he's three-dimensional. Let's look at his corners or vertices. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4. On this other side, he has 5, 6, 7, and the one we can't see, 8. Okay, so he has 8 vertices or 8 corners. Okay, we have a pyramid. Pyramid's a triangle. It's made up of triangles. 1, 2, 3, and we have 4 triangles he's made up out of. Okay, we have a cylinder. Cylinder's made up out of circles on the bottom. Okay, and then he has no corners, no vertices. Okay, so it's a cylinder. Now we move over to a sphere, like a ball. Okay, he's totally round, has no corners, no vertices. And we have a cone, like an ice cream cone. Okay, this is a triangular prism, so he is made of a triangle. This is also a triangular prism. Okay, see the triangles on the faces. Okay. And then let's define the color. Okay. If you guys have any questions or comments about three-dimensional shapes or solid figures, your parents can email me on Dojo, or they can email me to my email, and I can answer those questions for you guys. If you find that you have a hard time with it, we can set up a Zoom meeting and I can go over those things with you. Okay, I'm going to move on to fractions. That's going to be your next lesson for the week. So we're going to look at first, we're going to look at a cookie. Okay, I have a cookie for each of you. Everybody in class is going to get a cookie today. This is a whole cookie. Okay, you're going to get a whole cookie. Okay, so when we talk about fractions, we talk about in whole, or we talk about in parts, which we're going to come up on the parts. But this one is just a whole cookie. If we get a whole cookie, he's not cut in half, he's not cut in fourths, he's just one whole cookie. And then Miss Pollard decides that she doesn't have enough cookies. So I'm going to have to cut those cookies in half. Okay, see how they draw the line? Straight down the middle. So we made one whole one half. Okay, so 1, 2. We have 2 pieces. So one whole one is cut into half. So we make 2 pieces. Well, I still kind of think we need more pieces. So I cut that cookie into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 1/4. Okay, so if I take 1/4 of the cookie, this is one whole cookie cut into 4 pieces. So if we look at it in a number, okay, let's look at the half first. Okay, so we have one cookie cut into 2 pieces, right? So 1/2. So we have one cookie. This is our fraction line cut into 2 pieces. So we have one whole with 2 pieces. Okay, so this is 1/2. 1/2 of a cookie looks like this in a fraction. Okay. Okay. So then if we look at our 1/4 of a cookie, okay, we want to give one whole out of 4 pieces. So 1/4. Okay. There's also another one on this sheet. So in your assignment, you're going to color in, so it says color in 1/2. So you would color in 1 piece. Okay, 1 piece. On this one, you would color in 1/4. Okay? So 1 piece of 4. Okay? 1/2, you color in 1. 1/3, how many would you color in? Okay? 1. This one down here, this is a little tricky. Ms. Pollard didn't talk about this one. Color in 2/4. Okay? 2. Color in 2/4. And then on this fraction one, this last piece right here, this one says, color the same number of parts in each group, then write a fraction to match your coloring. Okay, so again, you could color in 1/2. So you would write 1/2, 1/2. Okay, and you'll look at these and you can figure out how many you want to color in. Okay, again, your parents will take pictures of those, send them to me either by email or by Dojo, and I will grade them that way. I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, we need to do a Zoom because you didn't understand, please email me or Dojo me, and so I can help you guys out. I miss you guys. I hope to see you soon.